5.
4.
Hi, my name is Emily. Welcome to the Notes from the 6th grade, a program that tells you everything you ever wanted to know about being in the 6th grade. Today my special guest is Danny, who will be talking to us about his elbow injuries and how it was fractured multiple times. Welcome, Danny. Also joining us today is our live studio audience, Class 603. Welcome, 603. So on with our story. Tell us what happened.
It was about a year ago, and I was playing districts for my baseball team in Rockaway, and we made it to the championship game in the sectionals. And if you won that, you get to go to the state tournament, which is in Rhode Island, with all the other teams from the regions. So it was like basically the next step before the Little League World Series at our age. And I was playing center field in the first inning, and my arm was a little sore because I had pitched the day before. So there was a fly ball to center field, and there was a man on third base, and I caught it, and he was going to go home. So I threw the ball in, and as soon as I let go of the ball, I felt a pop in my elbow, and I collapsed on the ground.
Ouch.
Yeah, so they rushed me into the dugout, but I wasn't able to go to the hospital until the next morning when they told me I fractured it.
And how did this injury affect you?
At first, it was pretty hard because I played baseball almost every day of the summer. So watching all my friends get to go out there, it kind of like hurt. It felt like they were mocking me in some sort of way.
But
at first it was hard, but I got used to it.
So how did you learn to deal with it?
I just told myself I'd be better, and like I couldn't wait to get back out there, but I told myself it was patience and I didn't want to hurt it again. but that's basically how I got through, and like I had a lot of like different emotions.
And how did your friends react?
At first, when I told them that I fractured my elbow and I was going to be out for the rest of the summer, I think it was a bit of a surprise to them because they didn't think it would be that bad. They thought it was just a minor injury, but they seemed pretty sad, and it actually made me feel bad because it sort of makes you feel a little awkward when everybody's coming up to you like, feel better.
Yeah, I hate when that happens at soccer. Really do.
Okay. But
I think we have a question from the audience.
Danny, I see that you have a cast on. Is this injury related to that other injury?
The original injury?
Yes.
Yeah, it is. It didn't, when I first fractured my elbow, the doctor just let it heal in place, so it didn't really heal properly. So this was just the result of like not taking the right precautions and not letting it heal properly.
Tisk.
Thank you.
How long will it be until you recover and play baseball again?
Well, the doctor said that it would be around 12 to 16 weeks before I'll be back, picking up a ball, but I have to go to like physical therapy and stuff, and I have this cast on for about another month.
Yeah, that's really big. Well, that's all the time we have for today. I'm Emily. Goodbye.